This machine is built to uproot trees quickly and powerfully. With its reinforced hydraulics and strong jaws, it grips the trunk and pulls the tree out from the roots, saving time and reducing human effort. This machine automatically fills cereal sachets with speed and precision, ensuring consistent quantity, hygiene, and high production efficiency. With this extremely powerful machine, we can clear more than 100 hectares in a single day. This machine fills, shapes, and seals tobacco into finished cigarettes ready for packaging. This advanced device uses a powerful laser to weld metal components, precisely melting and fusing the pieces together. The laser provides high-speed, accurate, and consistent welding, making it ideal for industrial manufacturing, automotive parts, and other applications where strength. This sugarcane mill can crush more than a dozen sugarcane stalks at once, thanks to its powerful electric motor. A long piece of metal is being bent and shaped so that it forms a spring. The metal is carefully curved and coiled to create a flexible and resilient component that can store and release energy efficiently. This machine is designed to harvest potatoes from a garden efficiently. It digs into the soil, lifts the potatoes carefully, and separates them from the dirt, allowing for fast, clean. In a factory, a sanitary pad is made by layering absorbent material, adding a soft top sheet and a waterproof back, then pressing, cutting, and folding it into the final product. This machine is used to dig the soil and extract tubers or roots. It makes the work easier, saves time, and allows for faster and more efficient harvesting. A tile manufacturing machine is an industrial machine used to produce roofing tiles made of metal, concrete, or clay. A wood milling machine, sawmill, is an industrial system used to process large logs into boards, beams, or other wooden products. Powerful saws cut the logs into specific sizes. The part is secured on the lathe and rotates at high speed. A cutting tool gradually removes material to achieve the desired shape, diameter, and surface finish. This process is widely used to produce high-precision parts for mechanical. A toothbrush manufacturing machine is an industrial system designed to produce toothbrushes in large quantities, efficiently and automatically. The machine drills small, precise holes in the brush head to hold the bristles. A metal piece is first heated to a very high temperature in a furnace until it becomes red hot and malleable. A farmer collecting multiple crates of carrots and quickly loading them into the back of a machine is working within a mechanized harvesting and loading system. A sugarcane mill is a machine designed to crush sugarcane very quickly. It uses strong metal rollers that rotate at high speed. When the sugarcane is fed into the mill, the rollers press and crush it to extract the juice. A machine that plows the land very fast is called a tractor equipped with a plow or a cultivator. It is used to turn and prepare the soil quickly, making it ready for planting. A machine that quickly harvests large amounts of bananas in a garden, cutting the bunches and transporting them without damaging the fruit. This is an agricultural machine designed to harvest rice very quickly. It moves through rice fields, cutting mature rice stalks with blades or mechanical systems, and collects them to transfer into a storage. This is an agricultural machine that can easily harvest a large quantity of onions. It moves through the field, carefully lifts the bulbs from the soil, and collects them in a compartment. This is a machine that grinds wood branches until they turn into sawdust or small chips. It transforms large pieces into smaller particles, making them easier to transport, compost, or use as mulch or fuel. This is a machine that mills rice to remove the straw and separate the clean grains. It turns raw rice into ready-to-cook rice by efficiently removing impurities and stalk residues. With bamboo wood, you can make all kinds of beautiful things: furniture, decorative items, baskets, houses, and even tools. Bamboo is lightweight, strong, and flexible, making it very versatile for both craft and industrial creations.